In this video, I will show you how you can fix if sound is not working on your Samsung tablet. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Sound. Now on this page, just check if your tablet is on mute or not. If your tablet is on mute, just select Sound, and after that, just press the volume up button and increase the volume of your tablet. And after you do that, then just tap on the three dots on the volume bar and increase the volume of your tablet from here. And after that, just tap on Notifications, and from here just tap on Do Not Disturb. Now if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your tablet, just turn it off. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just check if Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet or not. If Bluetooth is turned on, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet might automatically connect to any external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and this is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your tablet. So just disable Bluetooth and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under Settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just tap on Check for New Update. Now just check if your tablet has any software update available or not. If you find any software update available, just update the software of your tablet. And after you update the software of your tablet, then just go to your home screen and open the control center. Now just tap on the power icon and select power off. Now after you power off your tablet, now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just press and hold the power button on your tablet and power on your tablet. And once your tablet finishes restarting, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. But this time, just tap on General Management, and on this page, just select Reset. From here, just scroll down and select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. And after that, just tap on Reset. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the sound not working issue on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.